Emerging trends in cybersecurity. AI and machine learning, used for faster threat detection and automated responses to cyber attacks. Zero Trust Security ensures strict verification for anyone accessing the network, assuming no one is trusted by default. Extended Detection and Response, XDR integrates security tools across networks for better threat visibility and quicker response. Cloud Security protects cloud infrastructure, with tools like cloud-native security solutions and improved encryption. Ransomware as a Service. Cybercriminals offering ransomware tools to launch attacks, making it easier for others to get involved. IoT and 5G security. More connected devices and faster networks increase cyber attack risks, leading to stronger authentication and encryption efforts. Cybersecurity mesh architecture, CSMA, a flexible, modular approach to secure distributed networks. Biometric authentication, fingerprints and facial recognition enhance security for devices and networks.